guys, I hope you're well and healthy and happy. As per your request, I did like a little poll on my Instagram asking what videos you would like to see up on my channel, and one of the requests was a short like 5-minute makeup tutorials, so here it is. This is gonna be super simple and easy, you guys. Alright, so I think without any further ado, let's start. We're gonna start from prepping the eyes. I'm gonna just use my current favorite concealer. The reason why I do this is because I do have hooded eyes and any shadow would tend to crease. And just gonna quickly set this up with a setting powder. I've been loving this so much. It's used and abused. As you see, I hit the pan already. The lacquer cleaned off. So just setting the concealer that I just applied. So for today's look, I was thinking of whatever I should use the super affordable Makeup Revolution palette. This one is the Reloaded Iconic Division palette. It will be pricey of Huda Beauty Warm Brown Sessions palette. So I think, you know what, I'm just gonna go for the like more affordable. Just gonna use these three colors, the yellow, this one orangey, and then this golden one. Starting from the yellow, I'm gonna go and use this as a transition color. So going slightly bit high. I'm not going, you know, close to the lash line or anything like that. A bit higher than the creases. And that's it. Next thing I'm doing, I'm just taking this orangey shade. I'm gonna use the same brush, and then with this shade, we're going closer to the lash line, starting from the middle once again, and just distributing the color around the mobile lid. Basically, all you have to do is just blend this up. Just blend the color throughout the mobile lid, and then what's left kind of drag slightly bit up. So you can leave this already like that, just go with your, you know, lashes and all, or you can add a bit of a shimmer. And this is what I'm gonna do. So I'm going to use this shimmery, like a golden brown color. For that, I'm just gonna use my finger actually and place it in the middle of the mobile lid. See, I'm just going in the middle of the mobile lid. Tapping this on. And later I'm gonna use a brush to blend it. Starting in the middle, closer to the lash line, and then kind of tapping around what's left on the finger. So I'm just taking a small clean brush. This one is actually brow highlighting brush by Real Techniques, and I'm just gonna blend all the shadow, this shimmer shadow that I just applied with my finger. So next thing I'm doing, I'm just taking the Epic Ink liner by NYX, and I'm not gonna go with a full-on like flake or cat eye or anything like that. I'm just gonna go very close to the lash line just to make my, you know, eyes pop a bit more. Nothing exciting, just close to the lash line. I'm concentrating more like on the outer corner. I do slightly bit thicker line. It's still not a flick or anything. And then inner eye corner, super thin line. Eyeliner is on. We're just gonna quickly curl the lashes. So next up, mascara, and the makeup look is complete. Easy as that. So obviously you could go and add some falsies on, but I want this to be like truly 5-minute eyeshadow makeup look, so I'm not gonna add any, and eyeshadow is complete. Just need to add a bit of a shadow on the lower lash line and add the mascara. I'm gonna do that after I apply the foundation and all, so we're gonna quickly do that and see you in a second. Alright, so the foundation, contour, setting powder and all is on. Let's just finish off the lower lash line. Just coming back to this orangey color that we used to begin with, all over the lower lash line. Taking this cool tone shimmery color and gonna place it in the inner eye corner. Alright, a bit of mascara and we're done. So coming back to the next Word for Hack mascara. And the makeup look is complete. What do you guys think? I really hope you guys find this super quick video helpful. If so, please don't forget to press the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more. And if you're gonna go and recreate this makeup look, please send me new pictures, as I would absolutely love to see those. And yeah, leave a comment down below. Let me know if you would like to see more of the 5-minute makeup looks, or maybe you would like to see actually the contour tutorial, because I changed recently the way I contour my face, so maybe that would be interesting, or step by step how to apply the foundation. Or yeah, just leave a comment down below and let me know, and I shall see you very soon. So thank you so much for watching, and bye, stay safe guys.